Hi guys, so this is the ultimate marble track, and all the marbles, all 100 of them, will be racing on this course. Some escalators, the wheel thing, and lava pit, and all of that you will see later. Now, let's get started. The marbles are in the giant circle, which they are going down, and in the escalators, on the escalators. And let's just speed up this for okay. Now let's follow the rainbow marble, which is here somewhere. Hold here. Here. Okay, let's do this. And now we can follow it to see where it goes. And now, after the two escalators comes the big escalator, which Black is going right now. And then they are going up very slowly. Let's just speed this up all the way. And okay. Yeah, by the way, the rainbow marble's still up there along with other marbles, so it's kind of crowded. And here is the rainbow marble. Black is almost finished with the giant escalator, which he's going to do in the fast, big escalator to the spinning four-wheeled gears. And there's still marbles at the top, which is really annoying, so I'm just going to put that. And now Black is in the first, and dark gray the second, and I don't know, swamp color, yeah, this color is the third. Oh wait, no. Yeah, I actually don't know who's first and who's third because all these gears are confusing me. Okay, let's just move on. And then when they finish the gears is actually pretty easy because you see, the marbles can just go here, but they need to cross the gears, in the timing. Okay, now when Black is, never mind, the screen is shaking, very annoying. Okay, let's just oh no, wait, let's just selection, not follow it, and then look at the other marbles. Now the screen is not shaking, and the other marbles are going to the pit of lava. On top there is a kind of staircase with gaps in the middle. So the marbles are going to be very lucky to go through it. Oh, never mind, they're so lucky. They're too lucky. They're too lucky. Never mind, they're not lucky. They just move apart. Never mind, they're lucky. Okay. Let's just wait until black and maroon. No, this is maroon. No, this is dark. No, I just can't keep track of the colors because there's 100 marbles. Okay, let's see. Black is not quite going forward. In fact, he's going backwards. Oh, yes. Black is heading for the lava pit. And then... dies. Okay. Now let's see. Dark red or maroon, I guess. No, dark red is... I think at first. And maroon. Dark maroon, no, maroon and second, swamp color at third, no, never mind, maroon at third, no, dark, I'll just say this color, no, never mind. The places change so quickly, and now there are three, like, I don't know, 1 escalator or 4 escalators into a giant escalator. When they are going through here, then they will meet the turning triangle, and their mission is to get here and get off this island. I never mentioned that this was an island, right? Yeah, this is a giant island with and just so they're trying to get here. And they are struggling. Well, you see, like, I think maroon is almost at the top. Oh, let's check here. No marbles in the circle, okay. A little bit traffic marble jam. No, I'm just gonna help this a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, let's go. You know what? I'm just not gonna care about it. Bye. Okay. So, maroon is at the giant bowl. Well, it is a bowl. Oh my god. What? How are all the marbles just jumping in thin air? Like, how? Oh, never mind. Oh my. Okay. Oh my god. He's already landed on the triangle and he's trying very hard to go through the spikes. No. Go. Like, when the spikes are like this, just run for the marbles. Okay, I think like blue and orange is the first. Oh wait, light orange that has a red track. Never mind. Oh, he's almost made it. Make this small X, and he's up, and going up until I'm gonna smash him. Right to the finish line. Well, there actually isn't a finish line. I haven't created it yet, but I just don't count that. Okay, he's on. There's no wind velocity, so he's just gonna keep going forever. Like, literally forever. Let's just, oh my god, blue is the second, and oh my gosh, everyone's like coming. I'm just gonna let everyone through. I think that's everyone except Swamp. Yep, Swamp is through. Let's see who gets, oh my god. Okay, I didn't know I just flung light purple so much. Like, he's almost keep with the others. Like, the top 2 are literally just going for it. And they're going. They're going. The first 4 marbles that are literally like, oh my god, they are like 5 meters from the finish line. 4, 3, 2, and dropping off from the island, they escaped. So the winner is I don't know what color this is. Let's look. So yeah, this is the color that won. Okay. Congratulations. And bye. Just kidding. So, like, if you want to watch the rest of the video, like all the marbles, just let's go. Just wait and watch. Oh my god, how is there still marbles? Never mind. Go. Oh my god, the rainbow one's still here. Oh my god, the rainbow one's so slow. I thought he would be the winner. And go. By the way, if you want to follow something in Algodo, just double click it or right click it. Move your mouse to selection and click follow. Now, then scroll in if you want to see the object go. And if you don't want to follow it anymore, just don't click follow again. Okay, bye. Like and subscribe for the next video. So, okay, end of the video, except I'll just fling this across. I just fling. Yes, I flinged it. The rainbow marble is hexagon. If you want to see this hexagonal rainbow marble rainbow, just keep watch for, I don't know, like 3 minutes. Nope, it's not gonna last that long. Yup, I think it's gonna last, but it's not gonna last. Yeah, definitely gonna last 3 minutes. By the way, I think the circle's growing smaller. No, it's growing bigger. Is it growing bigger or smaller? Because I think this is going to for infinity time. It's definitely growing bigger and smaller. So it's going to infinity, so I'm gonna aim it at here. Okay, it just went through. And where's the rainbow marble? Actually, here. How did... Okay, I'm just gonna block him through here, get over here. I'm just flinging him to the finish line. Go! Okay, rainbow marble stuff forced to enter. Actually, it was cheating. Okay, so bye guys. See you in the next video. Bye.